I'm Michael with OrthoPro, and we enjoy the opportunity to support our community members that help others that have special needs, especially the children. Today we're at Gemstone Adaptive Climbing, and we're learning how the benefits of doing this activity help not only the children, but the volunteers are helped, as well as the parents.
I am Jamie. I'm Abigail and Elijah's father. We've been coming to Adaptive Climbing for about 2 years. First session, they were actually pretty excited when they came down here. They didn't know what to expect, but as soon as they did their first session, they were excited. They wanted to keep coming back, and they just loved it. Some of the challenges they had at the very beginning when they first started was actually the fear of heights. So they were able to overcome that as they progressed, and trusting the people that were helping them climb. So it helped build that social interaction. It's helped as far as brain power, coordination, confidence, problem solving. They have to plan where they're going. They have to decide where they're going. So all that helps with brain power, I guess you can say, problem solving skills. It helps with the communication, because one of the things they were lacking was that communication and speech. So it kind of helps them focus and bring that out of them, because they have to explain what they're doing in certain points when they're climbing. Climbing has a lot of benefits. I mean, it helps with ADHD, it helps with emotions, it helps with the problem solving, the brain power, strength, coordination. There's so many different benefits from climbing that will help them challenge themselves and question, some of the things they're doing, like, can I push myself a little bit further?